Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old, remember that I told you I found my way back home. 열어 기억을 걸어들어 있어준 시간 위에서
To introduce ourselves, I am Aya, and beside me are Jordan, Rose, and Cyril. So we are a F&B students of batch. We are F&B students batch 5 of 2022. So we are here in front of you to demonstrate to you 10 table napkin folding and the table setup.
Okay, first, this is,
Excuse me, guys.
okay, this is the pyramid. Ay, hindi ba baka hindi pa makita dito?
Ay, kung hindi niyo po makita, forward na lang po.
Alright, the pyramid. This classic napkin folding technique is simple, fast, and can be made easily with most napkins. Madali lang siya, baliktarin. Then, fold in half. Then, ayan na. The pyramid.
This is your pyramid.
Alright. Next one is the
Okay.
bird of paradise. This is a classic napkin folding technique. Classic napkin folding technique that requires a stiff napkin. Kailangan dito yung medyo makapal-kapal na tela kasi mahinilahin tayo para tumayo siya. Kasi kung medyo lousy yung napkin natin, hindi siya tatayo. Pangit na tingnan. And this one. Hilahin nyo lang yung tatlong nasa itaas, apat pala. And it's ready to fly. Bakit? Meron mo nakalagay yun? Hindi ko nakalagay binasa.
Bird of Paradise.
Birds of Paradise.
Bridge of Paradise.
Birds.
Oh, birds.
Next.
Next is the diamond. If you got some really limp napkins and diamond, want some nice to make without eating up too much time, then this type of napkin folding should be your go-to. Yan, pag baliktarin lang natin ulit, then fold lang yung dalawang sa kanto, and this is it, the diamond.
Diamonds.
Next is the cone. This nice napkin design originated from the napkin worshipping Indians native to Guam, called the dirty whitey nappies. Yung mga fold natin medyo magkakahawig lang ng fold. Konti lang yung ano nila. Guys, this is fold. Next one is our bishop's hat. This is a classic dinner napkin fold, but it can be difficult to line up the corners in the cup. Wala na ako.
Bishop hat.
Bishop's hat.
Oh.
Next is the rosebud. This is a sophisticated napkin design. Same lang din, triangular. Then, fold, baliktad. Para siyang sako. Pero this time, suksok na natin yung kanto para tumayo. The rosebud. Next is the French fold. Fold. Easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. French fold. And then, the pouch. Setting the table for lunch. want simple and functional, then go with the classic. This also works well with chopstick. Ito yung fold natin na pwedeng lagyan ng cutleries or chopstick kung meron na. Chopstick. Chopstick. And lastly, the double candle. This napkin roll is easy and elegant. Use it to spruce up a table with a flat landscape. This fold requires no ironing, starching, or pressing. This material will help larger napkins stand up without sagging. Double candle. Guys, this way for our level setup. Sige.